Do you want to know how to transform your office into a space that reflects the future of work? In today's video, we're looking into the top office design trends for 2025, full of fresh, exciting ideas to spark creativity, boost productivity, and enhance well-being. Stick around and get ready to reimagine your workspace. The rigid office layout is a thing of the past. In 2025, flexibility is key, with modular furniture and adaptable setups, allowing workspaces to shift and change for different needs. From team projects to focused work, versatility is at the heart of modern office design. Biophilic design is bringing the outdoors in. With plants, water features, and big windows, this trend helps create calming, nature-inspired environments that boost productivity and reduce stress. Sustainability takes center stage with eco-friendly materials like reclaimed wood and low VOC paints. Offices are becoming greener, making choices that are good for both the environment and employee health. Smart technology is revolutionizing the office. Automated lighting, climate controls, and IoT devices make workspaces more efficient and tailored to individual needs. Offices are transforming like never before, and these trends are just the start. Don't miss out and subscribe to our channel for even more inspiring designs and insider tips to help you create everyday living spaces that you will love. Open-plan offices can be noisy, but acoustic panels and soundproof booths help create quiet zones for focused work. Sound-absorbing materials are key to a more productive and peaceful office. Health is wealth. Ergonomic furniture and wellness amenities like standing desks and relaxation rooms are leading the way in 2025. These elements keep employees healthy and engaged. Mixing homey elements with office functionality, Resommercial design is all about comfort. Think soft lighting, cozy seating, and relaxed atmospheres for a more welcoming workplace. Inclusive design goes beyond accessibility. Offices are now integrating gender-neutral restrooms, wellness spaces, and meditation rooms to support a diverse workforce. Collaboration thrives in social hubs, spaces designed for casual meetings, break rooms, and coffee corners. These areas promote team bonding and creativity. With hybrid work on the rise, meeting spaces are evolving to seamlessly blend in-office and remote teams. Advanced tech and flexible seating arrangements ensure smooth collaboration across locations. Stay ahead of the curve and turn your office into a hub of creativity and success. Not sure where to start? Take our design quiz, linked in the description below, to discover your perfect style and create a space that truly reflects your vision. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into transforming your everyday living spaces into something extraordinary.